They show us up like you wouldn't believe. That's fabulous. Thanks fellas for waiting for that.
That's all right.
Much appreciated.
This way you're going to take off. I hope I'm going to take off this way.
That's it. Hey, why don't you take up the other way, Baz?
Take off the other way, Basil.
You're into the wind. You've got tail in there. Yeah, no, that's really great.
Oh, he's been itching to fly this for a few months
Yeah,
now.
well, we've been holding him off. So
Yeah.
don't fly until it's ready. It's got to be.
That's right.
Chris, he couldn't have a better mentor than Chris.
Yeah.
And it's just got to have patience. If you have patience, you'll have an aeroplane.
Yeah.
If you just send it off as it was, you'd have no plane the first flight.
Well done, mate.
Yeah. It would have been a good flight if it had got off the ground, though.
Alright, Nick, stand beside your plane. I'll get a photo of you. Yeah, stand there. A couple on this one.
Look at your dad first.
Take your hat off. You shadow you on your face. Okay, up here, Nick.